Welcome to Primary Care You Can Count On, a podcast from the Advocacy branch of the Louisiana Primary Care Association, Louisiana's hub for community health centers who care for the residents of the state's 64 parishes. Here's your host for the show, Teche Cleveland, Deputy Director of the Louisiana Primary Care Association.
Welcome to Primary Care You Can Count On, where we believe health care is a right and that everyone deserves affordable, accessible, quality health care. On this podcast, we will discuss hot healthcare issues and introduce you to community health centers near you and what they offer in your area. Stay with me until the very end to hear a message from President Joe Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris. I am Teche Cleveland with the Louisiana Primary Care Association. LPCA represents 39 federally funded community health center organizations across our great state of Louisiana. These community health centers operate over 295 sites and serve over 465,000 patients a year. You can follow LPCA at lpca.net on Facebook and Twitter. I am launching this show this week as we recently celebrated National Health Center Week, the week that is set aside by our National Association, NAC, for us to brag on the work that we do and allows us to brag on the accomplishments of our staff and our patients. Community health centers serve as a safety net for Louisiana's healthcare system. Health centers will not turn you away, regardless of your ability to pay, as we offer a sliding fee scale. Community health centers accept all insurance, including Medicaid and Medicare. We provide application assistance if you need help signing up for the health insurance marketplace, and we offer transportation, translation, case management, and health education. Let's take a moment to hear what President Joe Biden has to say about community health centers.
Those community centers you run, 150,000. Hardworking men and women, 21 million patients. 21 million patients rely on you all. More than 3.7 million, or about 18% of your patients, are children. For them and their families, you're the first place they go for primary care. You're the first time they've probably ever seen a dentist is because of you. The first time they've ever received behavioral health services, maybe when they walk through your doors and benefit from your care and expertise, and emphasize care. Without you, the country would be a very different place. That's not hyperbole. Without you, the country would be a very different place. The thing I love about you all, obviously I don't know you all, but I've spent a lot of time with the community. The thing I love about you all is you all, in face of all that you see, you remain optimistic. No, I really mean it. It matters. It matters. You believe in possibilities. You're always looking about what can be better. Why can't we get this, that, or the other thing done? Great things happen when people believe.
We thank President Biden for his support. And now I will share a message from Vice President Kamala Harris.
Our administration has provided $6 billion to community health centers. And I'll tell you why. You provide a critical service. You keep our families healthy. You provide a place where people know they will be treated with dignity and with respect, which all human beings deserve. They know they will walk in these doors and be in a safe place without judgment, where they can be, especially for any of us when we're talking about healthcare, can be vulnerable and at the same time be treated in a way that helps alleviate pain and extend life. This is the work you all do every day. It is an incredible gift that you have and give. And I know it takes great sacrifice to do this work, and especially over this last year and a half. So on behalf of the President and me, we thank you on behalf of our country and all our communities for the work you do.
Thank you, Vice President Harris. Please check back often and invite your family and friends. As this podcast continues, we will take a look at each of our community health center sites across the state. Please send your questions, suggestions, and comments to incleveland@lpca.net. We also encourage you to visit a Louisiana Community Health Center near you. You can find the community health center in your area by visiting lpca.net. And don't forget to become a health center advocate by joining at hcadvocacy.org. We hope you join us again, and thank you for staying until the very end.